Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process of downloading and installing Left 4 Dead 2 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser. In the search bar, type in Steam and press enter. Now from the search results, look for the official Steam link. It should say Welcome to Steam, and click on it. You'll land on Steam's homepage. At the top right corner of the page, you'll find the Install Steam button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Install Steam, a file will start downloading automatically. Once the download finishes, open the file, follow the on-screen instructions, and install the Steam on your system. This part is straightforward, but if you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment and I'll help you out. Once Steam is installed, open it up on your desktop. You'll be asked to create an account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Now that you're inside Steam, you'll see a search bar at the top right corner of the window. Type in Left 4 Dead 2, and the game should appear in the search results. Click on it to open the games page on Steam. Once you're on the Left 4 Dead 2 page, scroll down to see the Add to Cart button. Click on that, then click on Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method, complete the purchase, and you're good to go. After purchasing the game, head over to your Steam library. You'll find this option in the menu bar at the top. From the library, locate Left 4 Dead 2 and click on the download button. And Steam will automatically install it on your computer. And that's how you download and install Left 4 Dead 2 on any PC or laptop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tech tutorials like this one.